Hi guys, welcome to another video by JLAK Fitness, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to set up a home gym in the most cost effective manner. To begin with, we need to ask ourselves, what do we really need and what are we going to actually use? A lot of you would have bought treadmills, cross trainers or cycles, and now they're just lying at home to put laundry on or to put clothes on, but they're basically just taking up place without any use. And a lot of you have spent a lot of money on this. These things take up a lot of place and cost a lot of money. So once again, we get back to the original question. What do you really need and what are you actually going to use? Once you've actually identified what you need and what you're actually really going to use, that's when you can actually go into what you need to get. That's what I'm going to be helping you with today based on my experience. So before we move ahead, I'm from India and most of the recommendations I'm going to be making are going to be specific to India, but the same principles can be applied even if you're in other countries. Before we move any further, I'd like to point out by saying that none of the things I mentioned are sponsored content. Most of the things which I mentioned are things which I personally bought myself and am quite happy using. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is a pair of dumbbells. I got this on Amazon itself. You can get GSM Fitness or Core. I've used both of them and I found both of them to be pretty good quality, and you can try them out for yourself right now. If you're looking for weights under 10 kgs, these are two brands that I would highly recommend. These weights on Amazon should cost you below 3,000 rupees and can be used for most exercises. The next thing I'd like to talk about is detachable dumbbells and detachable barbells. So this would be a detachable dumbbell or barbell, which means, as you can see here, it's got a ring around it, so I can remove these plates and I can change them if I want to. So as you can see, the detachable dumbbell was much bigger. The quality of the detachable dumbbell as well is not as good. It's going to be made up of sand and concrete. However, the detachable dumbbell is much cheaper than the regular dumbbells. It could cost you only about 3 to 3,500 rupees for 30 to 50 kgs of weight, along with a preacher bar and a barbell rod as well. But remember, once again, the quality is not as good as a fixed dumbbell. You can consider the detachable dumbbell if you're looking for something cost effective and also if you have some experience with working out in the past. I have worked out for a long period of time, which is why I have some detachable weights and they find a place in my routine. So let's begin with talking about a resistance tube. A resistance tube, as you can see, does not take up much place right now. It can be easily folded all the way and it comes with a bag as well, so it can be easily transported around. You also get multiple resistances. The one I currently have is a 45-pound resistance tube and it's great. I use it every now and then, and you can use it especially when you travel and you move around. So this band would cost you about 700 or 800 rupees. I'm not sure of the exact cost. The one I'm currently using is a Fitzy band. It's really good, again easily available on Amazon. So next we're going to talk about a resistance band. So the one I currently have right now is a 75 to 105 pound resistance band, and this band is by Slovik, again easily available on Amazon. This band would be about 900 to 1,100 rupees, and again really great quality in my opinion. I've been using this band for about just a month right now, but it seems to be really good quality. I mostly use this for just rehabilitation as recommended by my physiotherapist, but seeing the wide variety of uses, I do use it for a couple of exercises. So you can consider a resistance band or a resistance tube based on your personal requirement. Both of them take up very minimal place, can be used for a lot of exercises and are very cost effective as well. They also come with an attached door anchor, as you can see, so it can be attached to your door and can be used for multiple different exercises. So if I had to recommend just one thing for your workouts, it would be resistance bands or resistance tubes, primarily because it's not too expensive, very cost effective, it can be easily taken, so it helps even if you're traveling around a lot, and it can be used for almost your entire body. If you do a couple of body weight exercises along with this, that's all you need. Before we move any further, guys, I'd like to talk about whether you guys actually know how to use the equipment that you're getting. So I'm going to help you in today's workout with how to set up a home gym, but you need to know how to use each piece of equipment as well to make it effective. So when it comes to your resistance bands and tubes, you'll be getting a workout chart along with it, which is going to tell you what muscle groups you're going to use. And that, along with watching a few videos online, is pretty sufficient. That's why I recommended the resistance bands or tubes as the number one thing if you're going to be starting off with your home gym. If you don't know how to use those pieces of equipment, it's completely fine. You can work with online coaches such as myself or any other online coaches to learn how to use those pieces of equipment. Consider that you have to invest some amount of time, guys, if you're going to be buying new pieces of equipment. You need to be able to use them to actually maximize their usefulness. Next, we're going to be talking about kettlebells. This is the one that I currently use. It's a 20 kg decathlon kettlebell. So if you're in India and you're looking for a kettlebell on a budget, I highly recommend checking out the Decathlon kettlebells. They're really good quality kettlebells made out of cast iron and probably the best at the price. So I'd like to specify that you can get much better kettlebells. You can get Sanguine kettlebells, you can get other brands, you can get steel kettlebells which are used for competitions. However, those are a lot more expensive, and only if you're competing on a professional level would I suggest that you can buy the competition level kettlebells. For most of you, if you're doing a home workout, a Decathlon kettlebell is great. When it comes to kettlebells, do not, and I repeat, do not buy them on Amazon. The ones I've used, the ones I've seen that my friends have bought are very average quality. Wait for it, even if it takes you a little longer, wait for it and go to Decathlon to buy your kettlebell. For the next thing now, we're going to talk about heavier dumbbells. So this is a 25 kg dumbbell that I have. I bought this from some online startup from an ad that I'd seen on Instagram. To be honest, I actually just got lucky. I found like a really great pair of dumbbells on an online startup. I think it was called How's My Gym or Where's My Gym, one of the two. But it was actually pretty good quality and really cheap from what I remember. It was about 5,500 for a set of 25 kg dumbbells. So when it comes to heavier weight dumbbells, you can again get them on Amazon. I will be providing a link down below as well. So to be honest, I just got lucky getting a great pair of dumbbells at a great price. However, I have found one brand on Amazon which is pretty good, at least from the reviews that I've read and the research that I've done. There's a brand called Cockatoo. However, it is quite expensive. So if you're on a budget, what my suggestion would be is look out for old gyms which are selling off equipment. The dumbbells usually don't go bad. You can go and check out the quality. If they're well maintained, you can get them at a fraction of the price at which you'd buy new dumbbells. So look out for sales. You can find them on Instagram groups or just keep an eye out. Try to look for gyms which are selling off their equipment. You can try to get it from there. If you're in India, have a look at sites like OLX and Quicker. You'll find a much better deal if you just have the patience to wait for that deal. The next thing we'll talk about is a skipping rope, an essential for anyone in any place, I'd say. Extremely cheap and so worth the money. You can get a skipping rope on Amazon or on Decathlon for just 100 rupees. That's it. Actually, not even 100, it's 99 rupees. So, a very good investment, great to burn those extra calories, and I'd highly recommend a skipping rope. You guys should definitely buy one. If you don't have one, it's definitely worth it. Next, we're going to be moving to a med ball. So, this is a med ball I have. It's a 20-pound Amazon Basics med ball. Yes, you heard that correct. It's an Amazon Basics med ball. So I never thought I'd be recommending an Amazon Basics product ever. But from the research that I've done, yes, you can find other med balls in India, but they're quite expensive. So the one which I found as the best bang for your buck would be the Amazon Basics one. You can get any other brand you'd like to as well. However, when I noticed when I was trying to get heavier med balls, maybe over 16 pounds, The only one which was actually manufacturing them at a good price was the Amazon Basics one. I think that one cost me about 2,800 to about 3,300 when I bought it. So if you know how to use a med ball, another great addition to your workout. Now for the next two product recommendations, the video quality is not going to be so good because I have absolutely no natural light in my house. So I'm going to be shooting without a light now in my room as well as outside. I'm just going to be showing you a boxing bag as well as a pull-up bar. So next we're going to be moving to a pull-up bar. As you can see right behind me, the pull-up bar is mounted in between my door, so it takes up very minimal place. I'm not quite sure of the brand, to be very honest, but I do remember it costing me about 500 rupees, so a great bang for your buck if you ask me. If you want to learn pull-ups or if you already know how to do pull-ups, a pull-up bar is definitely something that you should consider and get. Today, the cost of a pull-up bar would be anywhere between 1,000 all the way up to about 3,000 rupees. You can get one in between your door, or if place permits, you can even get one attached to the wall. Now, I'm going to be going outside to show you the last piece of equipment which I have, which is a boxing bag. So, as you already might hear, there is some traffic noise outside, and I apologize in advance for a little bit of traffic noise. And thanks a lot again for watching so far, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Nice. So, lastly, let's talk about my boxing bag. The one I have very clearly mentioned, a USI Universal Boxing Bag. Again, this can be bought on Amazon for about 3,000 to 3,500 rupees. I would highly recommend that you make sure, and again, very important, buy a bag which is filled already so you don't waste time filling the bag on your own. It's also very hard, time consuming and tedious to fill your boxing bag, so make sure you buy a boxing bag which is already filled up. This bag should be anywhere between 3,500 rupees. However, make sure you remember you have to mount it into the wall, so that's something that you need to remember again. Lastly, and most often neglected by even me personally till a while ago, make sure you use the proper shoes for your workout. Gym shoes, running shoes, trekking shoes and regular leisure shoes are all different. Make sure you buy the right kind of shoes based on the workouts that you're doing. These are just a few things that I've personally used to set up a home gym in my house, along with a few more things as well. If I missed out anything, please do let me know in the comment section down below. If you need any other recommendations as well, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help any of you. Once again guys, thanks for your time, thanks a lot for watching it. Please do give it a like, do subscribe and do share it with your friends and family as it really helps with the algorithm. So thanks a lot, have a great day and stay safe.